Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. Here I come again and welcome you into Spiritual Arithmetic 9. आज का हमारा मून साइन है मिथुन, यानी कि जेमिनी मून साइन. So, as you already know that we are discussing about the guidance of 2026 and we are trying to provide guidance on three different factors. Number one is the astrological transits, number two is the numerological calculations, and number three is the tarot card. So yes, we got a beautiful tarot card for you, which is the Four of Cups. Now we are going to discuss how these three verticals are going to help us in 2026. तो आप लोगों के लिए 2026 बहुत अच्छा रहने वाला है in terms of financial growth, in terms of career, but you have to take care of your health. Do not overdo things. So let us discuss at length. आप लोगों का थोड़ा सा इमोशनल हेल्थ पे प्रायोरिटाइज करने की ज़रूरत है, because if you are going to get career growth, that means you have to work a lot. You have to connect with people, and those who are into the business of, be it fashion industry, be it FMCGs, you are going to get tremendous amount of growth. And if you are into leadership roles and while doing a lot in order to attain success, sometimes you tend to neglect your health. Now, if you neglect your health, if you overdo things, then your peace of mind will be hampered. You are going to lose your peace of mind. You are going to, lose your cool, and you will tend to have many emotional setbacks. So in order to fight those, in order to just keep them at bay, I would request you to practice breathing techniques. I would request you to try and balance your Muladhara chakra simply by chanting Lam. And I would request you to just sit for a while and try and meditate, so that this thing remains calm and you are all set to conquer the world. The Four of Cups tarot card reveals 4 represents Rahu. Rahu means a lot of connection with foreign countries and growth in everything you do. So Rahu always gives you enough resources to outgrow, but you should be very cautious where you need to touch and where you do not need to touch. And the cups represents water element, that is your emotions, that is change. There might be some change of place, some change of work, some change of emotions. If you were emotional, it could make you slightly over practical. So you need to just balance, because we need to balance our water element. So that is going to give you a tremendous growth, and if you follow the guidelines of taking care of your health, you are going to just do wonders in 2026. So I wish you all the very best. Please take care of your health. Do well, outshine, outgrow. Thank you so much.